Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on Wynwood Road. We are driving towards the Norman Manley International Airport. So if you're going to the airport in Kingston, and the Norman Manley International Airport is the only international airport in Kingston, this is the route you would have to take. We are on Wynwood Road, heading towards Sir Florizel Glassbowl Boulevard, and then on to the Palisades Strip, and that takes us into the airport. So this is a very busy road because it not only leads to the airport, it also leads to the eastern parishes of St. Thomas, Portland, and a highway is being built out in Harbourview that will take you from Harbourview to Portland. So even more traffic is going to use this road to get to that highway. Alright, we just passed KFC on the left. Straight ahead is a Jamaica power plant. It's a private power plant that generates electricity and sells it to the grid. Oh, where you see that bus going in there, that is a depot for the JUTC, which is a Jamaica Urban Transit Company. They operate the buses. On the right there now is a Jamaica Private Power Company. So JUTC recently announced that they are getting an electric bus to test it out in Jamaica. And the electric bus is definitely the way of the future. So they are actually getting the bus for free, on a trial basis I should say. And if it works out, then JUTC will probably be upgrading more buses or changing out the buses to buy electric buses, electric vehicles. Okay, so we just turned left. We are now on the Sir Florizel Glassbowl Boulevard. Now this road is named after the former Governor General of Jamaica. I think he was the first Jamaican born Governor General, I'm not sure. On the left is the Jamaica Flour Mills, and to the right is the Kingston Harbour, and the Jamaica Flour Mills has its own port or berth. There it is on the right, so the ships just come in, dock there, load or unload their cargo, and they're on their way. I think they call them finger piers. But the largest port in Jamaica is the Kingston Container Terminal, which is also on the Kingston Harbour, just further down. On the left is Massey Gas Products. It used to be the head office for Shell, but Rubis bought out Shell, and all the gas stations were changed to the Rubis name. Alright, so straight ahead now is the Carib Cement factory, and they are the largest supplier of cement in Jamaica. This is the Rockfort area we're going through now. So on the right is the Rockfort Mineral Bath, and we had asked if it still operates, and somebody had said yes. And there you can see the mineral bath on the left. Okay, on the left, I'm not sure if the camera picks it up, but it's an old fort. It was used to protect the Kingston Harbour back in the day. Alright, so this is a cement company facility on the left now, and they also have a berth or a small port where the ships can come in and dock and load and unload the cargo. Alright, so we're now heading into the Harbor View area. So this is a Harbor View roundabout. Turn left here, you go into the Harbor View neighborhood or community. Turn left here, you head towards St. Thomas and the Southern Coastal Highway. And then here now where we're going to turn left takes us onto the Palisades Strip, and this takes us to the Norman Manley International Airport. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.